have enemies. Pushing campaign of calumny against students of Abian State University. We are certain because we have done our investigation, and that is why we have challenged any person to give us any simple or single proof that connects us to that student. We have taken time to do a lot of investigation. We have checked the environment of that incident. None resembles their hostel. Whether inside here or outside here. Nothing. Not even the bed, not even the door blind, not even the windows, not even the doors. Nothing resembles that to us. And that is why we want to please commend you for your peaceful demonstration. What we have come to do is to say this thing is not your character. That you are being accused wrongly. I want to appeal to those people who are writing in Lagos Ibadan as this. The Lagos Ibadan press, they are championing this matter as spearheaded by champion newspapers. Sun newspapers. Sun newspapers is not a friend of this university. I want to say, if this thing should continue, we are going to sue the hell out of them.
Ever conscious Nigeria students, ever militant Nigeria students, ever vibracious Nigeria students. I want to charge all Nigerian students standing before you today, and I want to say this: the Abian State University student has an image, and our image stands for excellence and what? I want to reprove and debunk every malicious report that was narrowed down to Abian State University. And we are saying that that report is entirely a malicious report. Want to challenge them to bring out the victims and the perpetrators of those acts. We've made our investigations and we have 99.9% proof that nothing happened in the other station. We've also made our investigations. We also discovered that the said victim of the rape is not even a student. How can one accredit a hawker to be a student of Abian State University? Our girls are respectable. They are girls that has reputation. And something cannot be accredited to our girls. I want to challenge any person that wants to spoil the image and the future of our girls to come out and also bring the fact that this issue or the matter happened in Abian State University. Once again, I want to also challenge the security to also put their apparatus on ground to fish out these culprits. On behalf of Abian State University students, we want to condemn that act, but categorically we also state that that incident, the said gang rape, never happened in Abian State University. Accredited to Abian State University students. Thank you very much.
ABSU students are not capable of such an act. At least I've been in this school for 4 years, and I've not heard of rape as in any corner. Now all of a sudden they just pick a girl from the streets and begin to say ABSU students rape somebody. It's unheard of.
So you can categorically tell us that the student is not a student of ABSU?
It's not. Okay, they claim that he's an ABSU student, but they have no proof. Which is enough to tell us that it's just an accusation. Because for any fact to be going to the length this one has gone, then they should have evidences. So it's enough to say that this is just a mere.
It could come from a close neighbor, provided it's an allegation. It did not happen in our school. That is the point. Because the girl is not a student, neither those guys, we don't know where they come from. But the point is that since they want to paint our school black, it will not happen. You understand? So this school is God's own state, and we stand on that. We are not part of it. That is what I want to say. So wherever the allegation is coming from, God will be our school.
My name is Julius Aka, a 300 level of political science student. Well, I want to say that before you raise an issue, you first of all go for investigation. We have the security unit in Abia State University. The security unit of Abia State University have not brought up a case that a student was raped in our own university. Looking at the gate there, you will see there's a police station right there. Nobody has reported that there was a rape case. And what we just saw, that we wake up one morning and see the sun and some other dailies telling us that a student was raped in our university, where we never heard of such. So I'm trying to tell the dailies that before they come up with anything, they should first of all go for investigation.
Yes.
What are they telling the international community about us? Nigeria is an entity, exactly. But I don't see why they are embarrassing us in the international community. Rape has never occurred in Abia State University, and it have not occurred. And it will never occur. So what we are trying to say here is that the Daily Sun, Punch, we are going to sue them. Not even investigating. We are going to sue them because we are not happy against this.
I'm Chido Rappa, the ABSU President-elect. Now, I want to make the world know my stand on this. I'm not supporting some individuals that committed a rape case anywhere in the world. But what I'm saying is that let the security agents go down, investigate this case. When they get the individuals concerned, let them treat them as individuals that committed a crime. Let them not narrow it down to our school name. Because when they are saying Abia State University, they're not talking about those guys alone. They are talking about all of us here, me, this lady here, and everybody here. So please, let them treat this case critically, because now our image is at stake. You understand?
I want to support what the President-elect has just said. Now, considering the fact that our image is at stake, Abia State University students cannot accept to take what we just seen, accepting that the rape case took place in ABSU. Now, if we look at it, the girl at stake is not a student, and there is no proof to tell us that the boys are students. Now, considering the fact that we don't know them, there is no how any person can come up and tell us he's a student. Students are there to confirm. Abia State University students are saying that those guys are not Abia State University students. Neither is the girl a student. And we cannot accept that image we are seeing there. We are great personalities in the world. We don't want anything that will stop our movement elsewhere outside Nigeria. We are now telling the world, the media, that the information they are passing are false. And at that moment, what we are saying is that they should delete those things. They should delete it. We are portraying a good image here in school. And because we are future generations, we still want to maintain that good image. Let them take us as students who has a good image to protect. That is my own stand.
University students, we're God-fearing students. As our students, obviously, God's own states, we're God-fearing students. We're very, okay, now we're on strike and students are back reading their books. We're very serious students. Now, at Best States, West African Best States University. So we can't even think of raping our girls. We love our girls so much. We're God-fearing, we go to church. So these things didn't happen in Abia State University.